Hey guys. How are you? You're like, it's Monday. You guess. Yeah, I had a heck of a day at work. Anyway, I'm coming to you with a traveler's notebook. I have 2 pages left. I counted them right this time. If you saw my last video, I thought I only had 1 page left and I ended up having 2. But I'm not doing this, so I'm going to skip this one. And I'm going to go to this page, my last one. Mainly because the picture I picked out, I kind of have decided I want to use it, and I don't want to use it on that color because I want to use this from the Citrus Twist kit. A couple months ago, I've been hoarding it, and I'm not ashamed. I wanted to use it on the perfect photo, and I found that. I didn't find it. I've been had it, but I came to it. So, I do want to keep a little border because at this point, it's a little bit chunkier than I probably should have it. So, that is a 6x8, and I cut it to fit this. I'm going to use this strip on this side. Please pardon my hair, if you can see it. And I'll show you the picture in just a second. But my idea is to put it on this side. How interesting is this going to be? Okay, why is it fitting this side? Okay, whatever. Whatever. It's not supposed to be perfect, right? Okay. This is going to give a lot of glare, and I apologize. Anyway, so my picture is of my sister-in-law and my niece, and I believe this was on Mother's Day. Yes. I couldn't figure it out, but now I'm looking at her necklace, and that's what Kiara got her for her Mother's Day. Okay, so definitely Mother's Day. I did cut out 2 vellum pieces of this it's a different gold that I want to scatter. And I brought in this Project Life card. Okay, don't look at the other side. Don't look at the other side. That I'm just going to layer up. And oh, I thought I was out of ATG, because who checks that before they start a video? Probably everybody in the free world, but not I, Captain. Not I. Anyway, I did go through my embellishments, and I got a few just little random pieces here and there. Oh, you know what? I'm going to wait and put this on the back, because I want this on the corner here. And I apologize, and I do this in almost all my videos. My husband's playing his game, and the wall right there is the wall to the living room where our TV is hung. So, I'm sure there's some kind of residual noise coming through to you. I think I'm going to go ahead and snug this up. Might be too tight. Let me... Because I know I'm going to have to trim a little bit off here, which I'm okay with. Oh, this is my baby girl. Yes, yes. So all my kids went back to school today. I don't know about your guys's. It is August 6th here. Well, it's probably August 6th there too. Anyway, and I put this yellow down here because against this it didn't really mesh very well. But I love the burgundy. And that's what drew me to this card with this gold. I just think it looks so pretty. Alright, so I think I'm going to have it coming off the edge here. This is one of my homemade traveler's notebooks, so please just give me a break, okay? It was my 2nd time making one. Did I do the other one already? Must have. Yeah, I did that from our Irma trip. Anyway, we were at church this morning. Okay, I just redid my room. I don't know where any of my stuff is. Hold on. Oh, there it goes. I didn't redo my room. I don't have a room. I redid my craft area. But, our church's name is New Beginning Church. And so I thought this was a perfect. This is one of the citrus twist. As you can tell, I need to get a new hole puncher. Anyway, that's a problem for another day. I thought this was perfect. New Beginning, because that's the church we go to. So, probably should have tucked that in there, huh? I do like that, actually. Or do I want it? Because this is going to cover too much up. Okay, let's trim this down. Trim to an inch. Okay. Oh, getting it out's not going to be fun. There we go. Whoopsie. Do we want it up here, though? Huh. Kind of like it. Alright, I don't know if I said this, but this was one of the cut aparts that Citrus Twist gives you every month if you're a subscriber to the kits. I think you have to be a subscriber. And this was probably a couple months ago. And I had printed these out on label paper. These other ones that I just did, though, I did them off cardstock. Or this month's, I should say. There we go. Now, I did leave this out, but I don't know. I feel like it's too, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not feeling it though. So, off to the side you go. And I was going to totally layer that up in there. See if we can still do it, because there's somebody else. Oh, oh gosh, what's her name? Shoot. Danny Faye? She always talks about sometimes she'll forget to layer and then end up having to do what I'm doing. But she does some awesome layering. Yes, she does. I think I'm going to put Foxy Lady over here. And I did stamp beautiful on this label with this stamp set here. With my bubblegum ink from Color Box. It's the Stephanie Bernard set. Before I stopped doing Stamps of Life, I was like totally into them. And I still am. I love all their stuff. I purchased most of their ink pads. I don't know if they've come out with any new ones. I haven't seen any posts about it. It's not saying much though. Twine, where are you? Ha ha ha. New brown. They love pink. Well, Crystal loves pink, excuse me. Go with this light pink since that's kind of the color we're going with here. And that hole's way too big. Oh well. Tis done. It is done. Get out of the way. Alright, let's start adhering this so I don't lose any of you. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry if that offended anybody. I want those hearts to be seen, so I don't want too much of it to be covered. Now, we'll put that down there. And I did Kissed by the Sun because they were outside when they did this picture. So I'm going to put that down there. I'm going to put Never Forget Your Story on here because you know, she's a single mother. She just graduated for being a dental hygienist. I'm not sure. She's the one that hands the stuff to the doctor, to the dentist, excuse me. She just graduated, though. I'm so stinking proud of her. You know, she could have decided to be a bum. I'm just glad she didn't. Because that would have been awkward. I'm going to put this here to kind of cover up that hole there. These are Amy Tan. I don't ever know if I'm supposed to say Amy Tangerine, because like everybody knows who Amy Tan is that would be watching this, right? I don't know, because at one point I didn't know who Amy Tan was. Anyway, time to sprinkle. I brought these pearls in that were just in my stash, just because it's kind of, you know, they're dressed up pretty nice. So I thought I would just do a pearl accents. And I think it's turning out pretty nice. I had I did my little purge this weekend for the Victoria Marie challenge, and I got rid of 4 boxes of stuff, and I've got a bunch of dies and stamp sets up here. I'm not sure what to do with just yet, but oopsie, you got to be on there. There we go. I did bring out the Chamel. Gosh, I couldn't tell you the doggone thing it's from. Sprinkly bits, but I just don't know. I think it's fine with the pearls that I put on. So, what do you think? Hope you like it. Hope you had a good time. Hope you have a great rest of your week. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!